How to transfer chats to new phone on WeChat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your WeChat chats to a new phone. So if you are upgrading your phone and want to keep all your chats, just follow this easy guide, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the option labeled as settings. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And here, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on chats. And now here in this section you can see the option labeled as chat history migration and backup. So just tap on that, and after that on the new page simply tap on migration. And after that you will be provided with the two options. From there simply tap on migrate to mobile. And after that simply tap on select chats to migrate. And once you do that you will be prompted to the chat section where you have to select the chat that you want to migrate. And once you have selected it, just tap on start at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you can see the QR code. So just open your new phone where you are connected with another account in there, and from there simply scan this QR code. And once you do that, the chat will be transferred to your new phone. And that's it. That's how you can transfer chats to new phone on WeChat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.